Here's a little tip for you if you ever have some trouble getting them out. I've come up with a few ways that I like to use to help loosen the piece and help it slide up from the mold. Let's work on the one that we molded together. First, what you would do is separate the silicone mold from the clay, and then you could go around the edge with a needle tool. Now please be super careful. Don't poke your design with the needle tool, and please don't poke the silicone mold with the tool, because it's very sharp. It's super handy, but it's super sharp, and you don't want to put a little poke in your mold unnecessarily. So I've loosened that around the edges. Now I'll just reinsert the needle tool like so, and then I'm going to use some of the Sculpey thinner, and I'm just going to put a drop of it down alongside the needle. Then I'm going to drag the needle through that Sculpey thinner and kind of all the way around. Now I start again by pushing up from the bottom and just grabbing it as it comes out. Now you can tell that's a little bit oily from the Sculpey liquid thinner. So I just want to clean that off with paper towel. I'll clean off my little art piece, and I'll clean off the needle tool as well. And that piece is ready to go with a finding. So it's super pretty.